Welcome, in front of me is a REALME 8 and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now before we get started we'll need a SIM eject tool. It comes provided with the device in a box so you can get it from there, or you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. So from there, once you have one of those, you're going to pop out the tray which is located on the upper left side of the device, as you can see right over here. And once you push in the pin, the tray will pop out. You can grab it and pull it out completely. And on the tray you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. I'm going to occupy one of each. And there we go. And from there you can insert it back into the phone. And that's about all it takes. As you can see, there is the pin for the SIM card. So yep, there we go. So the SIM card is working, and let's check out SD card if there's any kind of notification. But it should be working as well. And there it is. So SD card is working as well. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.